Hello, friends. How are you? I'm again with the news that is published in Times of India on. Oh my God! It was published on 19th November 2016, and it is with option incriminating documents. Rupees 12 lakh cash seized during raid on Zakir Naik's NGO. Incriminating means किसी को गिल्टी पाने के लिए जो डॉक्यूमेंट जरूरी होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, if someone has committed a murder, and if you are someone has, police has raided on his house, and they found a knife with blood, तो this will be a incriminating evidence, क्योंकि उसका लगता है हाँ यार ये संदेह के लिए काफ़ी इनक्रिमेटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स वो होते हैं, क्योंकि जी को आरोपी ठहराने वाले के लिए डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं. Let's read it. National Investigation Agency teams on Saturday says incriminating documents and files, electronic storage devices, and about rupees 12 lakh in cash during research operation 12 premises in Mumbai. Premises in buildings. Connecting to Zakir Naik's NGO, the Islamic Research Foundation. The recovered documents relate to various activities including financial transaction and property details of Zakir Naik and the IRF. Tightening its news on the IRF. Tightening its news means to make situation worse for somebody. किसी के लिए difficulties बढ़ा देना, उसे कहते हैं tightening the news. तो यहाँ tightening its news on the IRF. The center today sent an income tax team to Mumbai to join the NIA raids on the NGO premises in the city. In addition to raiding IRF offices, Naik residence, and the residence of close associates and director of the IRF, the NIA today also raided the office of Harmony Media Private Limited, which creates content for Peace TV, Naik's TV channel. The NIA also sealed an IRF account in the Development Credit Bank Limited in Dongri branch, which the NGO uses to pay the salaries of its school staffers and manages other expenses. The raids, which began this morning, will continue till late night and come just 2 days after the Union Cabinet declared the IRF an unlawful organization under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA. The raids were conducted after the NIA's Mumbai branch on Friday registered a case against the NGO under a section of the Indian Penal Code 153A promoting enmity between different groups on ground of religion and doing acts prejudicial to maintain prejudicial means harmful to maintain to maintenance of harmony and several action of the UAP. The IRF came under the scanner of various security agency after one of the terrorists who killed 22 people in Dhaka early this year allegedly posted on social media that he had been inspired by Naik's speeches, some youths from Mumbai suburb means urban area, who left home to join the Islamic State earlier this year, were also allegedly inspired by Salafist preacher. सलाफिस्ट तो एक उर्दू का वर्ड है, ये कुछ अलग अलग ग्रुप होते हैं आपके, क्या कहूँ मैंने, ग्रुप्स होते हैं तो The Maharashtra police have also registered criminal cases against Naik for his alleged involvement. Alleged means कथित तौर पे involvement in the radicalization of young people. Radicalization means to make someone fanatic, किसी को कट्टर बनाएगा, of young people, and they're being lured into terrorist activity. लालच देके attract करना terrorist activity. Thank you. That's for now, guys. I hope you're liking my video. Bye bye.